What's up guys, welcome back. It's another video. In this video, I will show you how to get account details in Wise. So, you might be wondering, how do you exactly get your account details? Like, for example, you want to use it for whatever purpose, like for example, if you want to transfer to that account. Well, this one is actually pretty easy. So, first things first is you want to open up the Wise app here and log in into your account. Now, from here, you want to go to the transaction section here and just basically you want to go to the top section here, so you'll have the option to view your account. So depending on your account, you have a USD account, you have a PHP account, and whatever currency you're currently right now you have a specific account for that. So what you need to do is you want to press on that currency that you are seeing right now, and you should be able to see this screen here. Now it should show you your current balance and all of the transactions that you made on your account here. Now what you need to do is you just need to choose the option here that has a bank or banking icon on it, just underneath your currency or the current balance that you have right now. So once you press on that button here, you should be able to see the name and the account number and the bank name of that specific account. Now, by the way, depending on the currency itself, you may need to provide some, in this case, verification to your identity. So in this case, that includes providing some IDs, confirming some information about yourself in order for you to access or start accessing that specific banking information or account information here on Wise. But then again, you just need to follow the on-screen steps here, verify your account, and you should be able to see your account number, name here, and bank name. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.